This is a question that you would typically get on a GCSE Mathematics exam. It says, the values 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 and x, where obviously x is unknown, have a mean of 7. What is the value of x? Have a go at this yourself, and I'll show the solution on the next slide. The starting point for the solution is the following formula: m equals t over n, where m is the mean, t is the total of all of the numbers, and n are the number of values we have. Well, we can see that m, the mean, is equal to 7, and the total is the addition of all of these numbers together with the addition of the x. And the n is the number of values. Well, we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when we include the x. So we will write out the formula m equals t over n. Now m, we can see from the question, is equal to 7 and n is equal to 6. Now t is going to be equal to the 3 plus the 4 plus the 6 plus the 8 plus the 9 plus the x. So we can substitute these values into the formula, as you can see here. So we end up with 7 equals the addition of all of these divided by n, which is the number of values. And of course, in this case, n has the value of 6. So we can write this out as 7 equals 30 plus x, all divided by 6. Now, this 30 has come from the addition of all of these numbers. And of course, this plus x is brought down to here. Now, we need to remove the 6 on the bottom, so we multiply both sides by 6, as you can see. Both 6's will then cancel. Now, 7 times 6 is equal to 42, so this will now equal 30 plus x, because the 6 is cancelled. We now subtract 30 from both sides. Now, 42 minus 30 is equal to 12, and the other side, you can see that this minus 30 subtracts from 30 to leave us with x. And you can see I've wrote down the x here. So we can write down the answer as x equals 12. Now you could check your answer by writing down all of the numbers you were given in the question together with the value of x that you've just found, which is 12. Add all of those up and you will get the result of 42. Of course, this 42 is the total, and what you need to do now is to divide this by 6, because that's the number of values you have, and of course that will equal 7. And you can see that it gives us the mean that was given in the question. So you can see we have checked our workings.